Shaman and Eddie tacked up and got on their horses all by themselves. Looked out the kitchen window and there they were. What are y'all doing out here, you little secretariat babies? Moving the horse pen. What do you call this thing? A horse pen? Paddock pen thing?
No, round pen.
Round pen. We're making it round and we've moved it. But you really don't know how much space you have until you really push the limits of your space. So it used to be all up there. You can kind of see the outline. And now I think we're going to be almost fully outside of where it used to be.
Yeah.
Which is right here.
If I can get that 3 feet.
So it'll be like right, maybe like 5 feet inside. Oh yeah. Good idea, babe. Good idea. Zai Zai, what do you think? You LaCroix baby. Your stroller's coming. Your stroller's coming.
Were you gonna jump
LaCroix
up?
baby.
Thank you.
These kiddos absolutely nailed this stall. What do you think, Goater? Think so? Think they nailed it? I think it's comfy. It's clean and comfy. Till your fence gets here tomorrow. Darin's working his magic on the family vehicle. Gabriella's doing it too. She just gave me the funniest. Good job, thank you. Thank you. All right, we are back in New Market. We have a camera today going down the sewer pipe. Y'all remember the sewer drama? It's been crazy. Well, it's backed up again, so we'll see what happens.
something's flowing.
And that's it. Yeah, it's not blocked. Like it's not blocked anymore, but because like we've never had the sewer back up again. But
There's got to be something.
there's
somewhere.
something impeding that it makes the toilet start to pop.
And if there isn't, praise the Lord. But there's got to be something somewhere.
Because it's like it makes things slow down.
Okay, pull back.
Are we back? We're backwards, right?
Yeah, pull back up. You done bend it back around. Mm-hmm. Now push.
See that? How the water was flowing?
Pull back. All right, now go down.
See, we gotta go left. He's gotta go left. He went in right because he saw the water flowing to you.
Okay, push. It's going back.
I think it's just pitting itself up anyway.
See what I'm saying, Darin? The water flowing towards you. Yep, we experience this every time.
Yeah, that should be the right way there now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
water's flowing that.
Yeah, that's the right one.
But he's jammed.
It ain't making it around that damn turn.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Okay, so we could not get through the pipe in the room, so we're outside. We're gonna try and do it from this direction. So yeah, I did too. Totally forgot. We'll see if this will work.
Alright, pull it back just a hair if you can.
Major clog.
Yes. Now pull it back just a hair. Looks like something's clogged up right there.
You want me to
Alright,
flush
push in a little bit.
a toilet?
Yeah. It's hitting on something right there. I don't know what it is, but I guess. Oh yeah.
Yes, yep,
Yeah,
that,
it's
that
definitely
little
clogged right there.
right there.
Yeah, it's just clogged right there. I can't really tell what it is.
Can you back up a tad? Yeah. What?
Well, it's in her in about like 2 inches, 2 or 3 inches.
There it is. That was
Oh
a
yeah,
good view.
it's definitely clogged. It's almost the whole pipe. 53 feet in. If you pull back just like an inch, you might be able to see it a little better. All right, you're right. See it right there?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's completely clogged.
So why would it keep getting
So I was
clogged
gonna
like
say
this?
if Okay, I don't know if you can see this, but some weird, I mean, it's weird, but it's taking up most of the diameter of the pipe. But we have cleaned this thing out multiple times, so we just don't want it to not. Looks like fish. What is it?
We're going to try to go back through to see it. I guess we're going to see if we can make that turn back through there.
Yeah, with this I'm usually better at it than the camera.
I'm gonna go look. We have lost all visibility. Oh boy. So it's gone?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, it's open now. I still don't see it, but I mean, there's flowing water from behind it, which makes 0 sense.
Let's see if I can get the camera to go further.
So strange.
I don't know if it's gonna go any farther. I think that's about as far as it's gonna go.
Flush this over here.
It's like 4,000 pound pressure water
Okay.
that blows in the pipe, and it blew that clog out of there. Cause I think that toilet is after this.
It is.
Yeah, cause it's over there, so that probably won't be seen on here.
So basically they got 2 laterals.
So should it be filling up at all like that?
Technically no.
Okay, so as we were putting this video together, we realized we didn't give a final update as to what happened this day. We had to run to the dentist, but eventually, by going through multiple different entry points with their Power Blast water system, 4,500 PSI thing that they stuck down our pipe, eventually the water started to just flow through instead of getting clogged up like that. So they fixed it, and hopefully we're good to go. Someone thinks that they're gonna tear this house down today, which is the house that Mercy was born in And Salem is saying bad people.
Yes! Bad people! Bad people! Bad people! You're too short.
Darin wears the baby carrier about twice a year, but you look cute. Babe, you look cute. She asleep?
Would you be asleep on me if I was
Oh,
carrying
for
you?
sure. Snuggled up against your chest all day. All day, cutie.
All right, so we had to leave early on our bell tower project. We are now walking up to see,
For the first time ever.
for the first time ever, what it looks like.
Don't see a post coming through the ceiling.
You see the metal thing?
Yeah.
Where? Oh, I see it.
We have to go up there.
Yeah.
Wow.
Holy camole.
Wow.
Probably
They
can't
brought
see the
these
metal
two
thing.
together.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
I'm excited to get up there.
Well, here is the completed project. I don't know if you can see those steel things coming down, holding the bell tower up. All new bracing. Over here was the big boy. As I'm trying to crawl over. You guys are coming on a little journey with me. Brace this, Joyce.
Are you up there?
Where are you, little girly? Hello, Zai Zai. Hi, Zai Zai. Okay. There's the other steel. Mama came, and then you wasn't gonna be able to leave her behind with a cute little white shirt and get all jacked up. All right, let's go up to the bell tower. What do you think, babe? You approve? Is this the first project done without your supervision that you approve of? I think it is.
It's unreal. So this is all,
That's new.
that's the steel. I mean, it's steel.
Yeah, and then there's wood boards. Aren't those wood boards above the steel?
This is
Yeah.
some kind of,
You know why?
boards that they've put on this post.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. And they did this to the steel because, okay, these boards, this board, they had to cut these,
Okay.
so they're now short. So they had to cut this and cut this to get it off the post.
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah.
To be able to slip this in. So now this was no longer tied to anything.
You still think you could have done that?
Babe, I can do anything. I can.
Oh boy. And y'all see where the majority of our journey has come from. Welcome to the top of the bell tower, folks. If you haven't been here with us, we've had several little vlogs where we've spent time up here repairing things, but it has the most incredible view of our town, most incredible view of the mountains. Shenandoah Valley. Welcome to the Shenandoah Valley.
On the road, I've been away for far too long, but now I'm on my way back home. I hear the west winds calling out my name. They're telling me to head your way, down your road and past your gates. Keep your eyes on the horizon. I was looking to belong when I'd already found my home. Won't be long, I'm there before the setting sun, for you to fall into my arms, the place I call my home. I was looking to belong when I already found my home.
We are mowing the grass. So we've mowed all of this. I've raked it. They've got the grass up. We're going to take it to the horses. And then we need to get that. But we're just getting the weed eater on the fence line because one, our mower's out of gas, and two, we can't get it with the mower. And I don't have shoes or a shirt on, so I can't get up there and rake right now. What'd you say? We've done like 70% of it.
Yeah, because if
like
I
69% of it.
Here, that was all like such high grass.
So yeah.
Guys, they're gonna tear that down.
We talked to Mr. Kevin today, and that's what that little thing's there for.